Alright guys, now we're going to do it by grouping. I love grouping. To me, it is one of the easiest way to solve. It only works for a cubic function, and you have to have 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so step number 1. Put the first 2 together, put the last 2 together. Okay? What do these two have in common? They have an x squared, so you're going to take out x squared. That means you're dividing everything here by x squared. So you have 3x plus 4. See this minus? Keep the sign. What do these two have the same? 2. So I'm going to factor out a negative 2. When you factor out negative 2, what do you have? Negative 6 divided by negative 2 is positive 3x. Negative 8 divided by negative 2 is positive 4. Okay? Do you see how these two are the same? You put them together, set it equal to 0. Okay? You see how these two are not the same? The oddballs? You put those together, set it equal to 0. Now, notice your goal. You're not going to try to finish factoring. You're just trying to find what? All zeros. Don't make it hard on yourself. Subtract 4. 3x equals negative 4. Divide by 3. X is equal to negative 4 over 3. There's one of your solutions. Remember, you will have 3. Add 2 to both sides. X squared is equal to 2. You square root, and when you square root, you get 2 of them. And there you have your solution. 1, 2, 3. Number 14. Count your terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bingo. Now, fact grouping doesn't work every time, okay? But most of the time it will. And since it says grouping, it should work. Factor out an x squared, and you have 5x minus 1. 5x to the third divided by x squared leaves you 5x. Negative x squared divided by x squared is negative 1. See this plus sign? Keep your sign. What do these two have in common? A 4, so I'm going to factor out a 4. 20x divided by 4 leaves you 5x. Negative 4 divided by 4 leaves you negative 1. See how these two are the same? Put them together, set it equal to 0. Okay? You see how you have the oddballs right there? Put those together, set that equal to 0. Solve. Add 1 to both sides, divide by 5. Okay? Subtract 4, so you have negative 4. You take a square root, plus or minus square root of negative 4. Negative comes out as an I, square root of 4 is 2, so plus or minus 2i. 1, 2, 3. Number 15, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do these two have in common? 4x squared. So I'm dividing each of these by 4x squared. That's basically what you're doing. 4x to the third divided by 4x squared leaves you x. 20 divided by 4 leaves you 5, and the x cancels. Negative 5. 5 goes into both of them. So, negative 5 divided by negative 5 leaves your x. Negative 25 divided by negative 5 makes it a positive. Together, x plus 5 equals 0. Together, 4x squared minus 5 equal to 0. Solve for both. So x is equal to negative 5. Add 5 to both sides. Divide by 4 first. Take a square root. So plus or minus square root of 5 over 4. Okay? All right. You actually need to simplify this. So square root of 5, square root of 4 is the same as 2. So how many solutions do you have? 1, 2, 3. All right, number 16. 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do those have in common? 2x squared. So you're dividing every one of these by 2x squared. So that leaves you x plus 3. 2x to the third divided by 2x squared leaves you x. 6 divided by 2, 3, x cancels. Minus, they have a 5 in common, so I'm going to take out negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is positive 1 with an x. Negative 15 divided by negative 5 leaves you 3. Same, so x plus 3 equals 0. X is equal to negative 3. Okay? These guys are the same. 2x squared minus 5. When I say they're the same, I mean like they don't have anybody to pair with. Okay? Add 5 to both sides. Divide by 2. Square root plus or minus square root of 5 over 2. All right. Rationalize. Times square root of 2 times the square root of 2. So x is plus or minus square root of 10. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 is just 2. So there's your other 2 solution. Okay. And there you have groupings.